Here's a paradox: a tech genius who went broke and a local janitor who died a multimillionaire. The outcomes are inverted, so let's analyze the system behind this. The executive was, by all accounts, a genius, but he also threw gold coins into the ocean and paid 10 times the asking price for things just to make a point. Clearly, he had more dollars than cents, and his system crashed.
On the other hand, we have Ronald Reed, a janitor. His main hobby was chopping firewood. He quietly built a fortune of over $8 million. His portfolio was apparently more exciting than his hobbies.
These two stories point to the core operating principle. Financial success isn't a hard science, it's a soft skill. How you behave with money is far more important than what you know about it. It's a psychological challenge, not an intellectual one. So let's install the first principle.
The highest dividend money pays is control over your time. True wealth is the ability to do what you want when you want.
As research by Angus Campbell confirms, a sense of control is the highest predictor of happiness. So your micro-action is this. Tomorrow, find one block of time in your calendar and reserve it for something you control completely. Now for the second principle, which acts as a guardrail. The hardest financial skill is getting the goalpost to stop moving. Social pressure to keep up adds tremendous risk for no real reward. After all, the rat race is only fun if you're a rat.
We saw this with people like Raja Gupta, who had everything, but still risked it all for more.
So here's the action. Today, write down the annual income that would make you happy. That number is your target.
Finally, there's a bonus idea that underpins this entire system.
This all depends on one core parameter: survival. Compounding needs time to work, so staying in the game is more important than chasing huge returns. You are not a spreadsheet. You are a person who just wants to avoid getting wiped out.
Look at Warren Buffett. His real genius lies in what he didn't do. He didn't panic. He didn't take on massive debt. He survived. His greatest skill might just be not hitting the eject button.
So let's install this system with one action.
In the next 24 hours, do this. Identify one recurring expense driven by what others think, then redirect that amount to savings.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet, link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more.
What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?